Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into everything tech, helping you get the most out of your devices. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check the recent activity on your Android phone. This is super useful if you want to keep track of your phone usage, checking for security breaches, or just see what apps you've been using the most. Let's get started. First, you'll need your Android device in hand. Make sure you're on the home screen to begin. Access the Settings app. You can find it by swiping up from the bottom of your screen and scrolling through your apps, or by tapping the gear icon in the drop down menu. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. This feature helps you understand your habits and manage your screen time. In the Digital Wellbeing menu, you'll see your dashboard. Here you can see a chart of your screen time for today. Below the chart, you'll find a list of apps and how much time you've spent on each. Tap on any app to see more detailed information like specific activity within the app, notification received, and the number of times you've opened it. Now let's go to the back to the main settings menu, scroll down and find the device care or battery and device care. Here you can check battery usage, which indirectly shows you which apps and activities have been active recently as they consume battery life. For those concerned about security, return to the main settings menu and select security. Look for security history or similar options. This will show you security scans and other related activities. By following the steps, you can easily keep track of what's happening on your Android device, ensuring that you're always in control of your digital footprint. Wasn't that easy? I hope this video helps you stay informed about your device uses. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss our updates. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, drop a comment below.